Well, hello guys and welcome once more in another tutorial in which we are going to take the rest of information about for loop and addition things that we can use with it. These things are continue and break. And before we know the benefit behind them, we just have to run this simple loop. It printed I from 0 to 9 and that's merely expected. But what if I just have some numbers that I don't want them to be printed? For example, if I don't want 5 to be printed amongst them, all what I have to do is just to say this. If I is equal to 5, then you just have to continue and ends with semicolon. If we run this, it will give me from 0 to 9 and 5 here is not printed. It's a 4, then 6. What happened is that when I became 5, this term was checked, and when it gave true, continue took place. What does continue do? It makes the loop run from the beginning and it neglects all what's coming after it. Whatever I have here, it won't be carried out if continue runs, as we can see here. What about break? Break, if we put it instead of continue and run it again, it printed from 0 to 4 and that's it. What happened is that when I became 5, this term became true and break breaks the loop forever whenever break is activated, as we can see right here. One more thing, if we have an array like this, that is called the numbers, and this array is of length 10. And if we want to just print every single variable inside this array, we just have to do this to use for loop, but of two parts. The first one, for example, call it var, and the second one is the array that we want to print. And inside it, we just give the order that we want to carry out, like this. Println var, and ends with semicolon. System is written wrongly. This way it's true. Run again. It printed 10 zeros. As we said before, that the initial values of any created arrays of integer will be set to zeros. What happened is that it took each value inside the array and put it in var, and in each cycle it prints this var. For example, if we just change the value of some variables inside this array and make it equal to 14 and another value and make it equal to 66 and run it again, give me 0, then 14 that we had created right here, then 66, and the rest will be zeros, of course, as we had no change for them. That's it. To know all about for loop, break and continue, and how to use it with for loop. If you got a benefit from such a video, please just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.